Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with an updo style on myself. For this updo, I will show you how to do a fishtail braid. So let's start. This is the length of my hair, so it's going over my shoulders or until my shoulders now. I do a little ponytail with half of my hair on the back of my head at the end of the crown hair. Then I will clip this away. And I take the rest of the hair into another ponytail. Now I'm going to split this ponytail into two equal strands, and I bring a little portion under the strand to the middle, and then from the right hand side under the strand to the middle. And this is how you're going to do all the fishtail braid until the end. Always take a small portion from the right hand strand to the middle, and then from the left hand strand a small portion to the middle. Keep on braiding until the strands will be so short that it's going to be hard to hold them in between of my fingers. So you see, I really do not lose the strands. I hold them the whole time in between of my fingers, and I'm always taking a strand like half a centimeter wide from the outer side of the strand, and I bring it under to the middle. This is a Dutch fishtail braid. Keep on braiding until you reach the end, and try not to mess it up, so don't lose the strands in between of your fingers. This needs a bit of practice, but if you've done it 2 or 3 times, you will see that you will perfectly manage. If you're new on our channel, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and turn on the little notification bell so that you will get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much for your support. So now here I'm reaching nearly the end, and this is where I'm using a little clear elastic to secure this braid. If you have longer hair, it's easier to attach the elastics because you can bring the braid to the front of you. Now I'm using some hairspray, and I make the braid bigger by pulling carefully the outer edges. As my hair is shorter, I cannot pull that much because then I would bring out the end of the strands and it would look really messy. I'm going to do the same thing now on the top with the first ponytail we did. So split the hair into 2 equal portions, bring a little strand from the outer side under the middle, and do the same thing from the left hand side, and then right little strand goes under to the middle, and then again left a little strand under to the middle. Keep on braiding, don't give up. If you don't want to see the little ponytail, you can also do the effort to cover it with a little strand of hair and then secure it when you wrap it around with a little bobby pin, or you use the topsy-tail tool. But I avoided this step because I thought that my ponytail from down is long enough to cover it, but it wasn't. So next time I know. Keep on braiding, and then again the same thing. If you reach the end and the hair is too short to be kept braided, then you just fix it with a little clear elastic. This is where I tie up the braid, and now I'm doing the same step. I'm using some hairspray, and then pull gently the outer edges to make the braid wider and bigger, to make it look a bit more boho. Now I'm taking with bobby pins the braid from down, and I'm going to pull it up. The end I'm hiding in the middle, and I just fix it with one bobby pin. Bring this portion of hair, this braid, in its place by pinning the outer edges to your scalp, and then I'm taking the braid from the top, making it wider to cover a bit the edges and I want to make this updo look wider or bigger. I'm bringing this and fix it to the right hand side, and the end of this braid I'm hiding again in the middle, and like this we achieve a symmetrical style. You can always later pull if there are some strands loosening up because the hair is not that long. You just rub around the end of a bobby pin and then stick it into your hair. With some gel and my special brush, I think it's a teasing brush, I'm just bringing down the flyaways. This is it. We are done already. Final result. I hope you like it. If you have problems with the fishtail braid, just change it up to a regular 3-strand braid. Hope to see you back very soon on our channel. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment down below if you would wear this style. Bye bye.